Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is going to be super simple and we're going to talk about the use of essential oils when it comes to pregnancy and breastfeeding. Now, as a general rule, if you are pregnant, if you are breastfeeding, it's really important for you to understand what kind of essential oils you can use and which ones you should avoid. Now, as a general rule, you cannot swallow any essential oil. Any oils that you use for massage, any oils that you use in the bath should always be diluted and diluted to a weak dilution percentage, where it means if for example you're following a recipe that asks you to dilute 5 drops of lavender oil, for example, in 10 milliliters of carrier oil such as almond, you would need to double or triple that dilution to make sure that it is a weak dilution, but it will still offer you the benefits as well. So if you are making any of the blends that we talk about in the channel, you are always advised to avoid certain oils, and I will let you know if there is a video I'm talking about a specific essential oil. There will always be a precaution part where I talk about what are the side effects and what categories of people need to avoid that certain oil. So if you are pregnant, if you are breastfeeding, it's really important for you, if you are using essential oils, to focus on the essential oils that are made from flowers or fruit oils only, because these are extremely gentle and they're also mainly general to use, and they provide relaxing aroma and relaxing mood boosters as well. So always make sure, if you're uncertain, to consult a qualified aromatherapist for further advice. Now, what kind of essential oils do I mean by the floral ones and the ones that are fruit based? Well, first of all, lavender oil is amazing when it comes to using it with pregnant women, using it during breastfeeding as well. Make sure don't apply it topically without a weak dilution method, the one that we talked about. Also, rose oil is very calming, chamomile, lemon oil and geranium oil. I would start with these oils, but the essential oils that you need to avoid during pregnancy and breastfeeding, we'll start off with hyssop oil. Clary sage is quite powerful. Camphor essential oil, you need to avoid that during pregnancy and breastfeeding, as well as birch essential oil, basil and aniseed, as well as oak moss. So we've come towards the end of our video. If you enjoyed today's content, like, share and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.